Hi friend, good morning again. Today we can learn how to change Mitutoyo micrometer display. This is Mitutoyo micrometer 25 to 50. Model number is 293-241-30. It's come for repair. It's showing the black display. Display color is gone. Now we can show it how to change the display. Plus remove this 4 screw. We have stockist of Mitutoyo spare part. Do you require any spare parts? Please contact us on 9028 000 350. We have our e-commerce website also. Please check below. My website address is given. Now this is the connecting cable. We have to remove that connecting cable with the help of this. Then this part is removed. Then remove these 4 screws. After removing the 4 screws, this display is not working. We have stockist of Mitutoyo. Another display. This is another display. See our company name, Ideal Instrument Services. This is my mobile number. Put this. There is a step here. This is zebra lines. Put here, then put keypad in contact. Then this is zebra connector for mic. Put this zebra connector. Again fix all 4 screws. We are taking repairing courses for measuring instrument also. If you have any query, please contact us on 9028 000 350. Then again we put fix the connecting cable properly. See now the display is, we change the display. Now we are connecting this cable again. Now the display line is coming. Then press, we are checking. Now the display is, all the digits are working properly. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this again put 4 screws